Manufacturers today are looking for smarter ways to improve quality and productivity. Hexagon is a global leader in digital solutions that create autonomous connected ecosystems, where data is connected seamlessly, converging the physical and digital worlds and building intelligence into all processes. Exalt, Hexagon's framework for using IoT data to accelerate digital transformation, provides a base of technologies like cloud computing and artificial intelligence, which enable our smart manufacturing solutions. Hexagon's Manufacturing Intelligence division is digitally transforming manufacturing by converging design and engineering, production and metrology solutions to make our customers' factories smarter. Our design and engineering solutions use computer-aided engineering techniques to simulate reality, so quality is embedded into product design and manufacturability is guaranteed. Our production solutions include CNC simulation and computer-aided manufacturing software that ensure design intent is maintained through the production process, improving productivity and delivering high-quality components. Our metrology sensors capture real-world data for positioning and inspection, while metrology software provides actionable information through advanced analytics and intuitive reporting. Hexagon's expertise in sensor technologies, software and data orchestration enables autonomous connected ecosystems for suppliers and customers, improving quality and productivity by making your factory smarter.